Start.
So my name is Sawaros Sangsut. I teach at Chulalongkorn University at the School of Integrated Innovation. So today we just had like a big workshop with our students and they experiencing real life for the first time. And I could see that they're totally hooked. Even though we asked them to stop, they still continue working on it and exploring different lives through the features of the game. I really see a lot of potential in real lives. For example, one of the class that I teach is innovations for sustainable development goals, and I could see that the students could try to come up with innovations by empathizing with the user and the people in a particular demographic, particular countries, and try to see these effect from the SDG challenges that could have on their innovations. So I'm also a director of Social Innovation Lab at School of Integrated Innovations, and I'm excited to see collaborations that blossom from our partnership with our students in Thailand.
Thank you.